Students, very nice good morning to all of you. Welcome to our learning class. I am Rofan Kumar, your mathematics teacher, Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss next exercise of trigonometry, just like trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, first of all, what do you mean by complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum measures 90 degree. Okay, so students, if one angle is theta, then the complement of this angle is 90 degree minus theta. It means theta plus 90 degree minus theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta and 90 degree minus theta are the complement to each other. Okay, and both angles are complementary because their sum it measures to 90 degree, just like 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, their sum measures 90 degree, so these angles are complementary angles, and 30 degree is the complement to the 60 degree and 60 degree is the complement to 30 degree. Yeah, both angles are complements to each other. Okay, so students, let's start trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So first of all, we draw a right angle triangle. A, B and C. B is 90 degree. Okay, and let angle C is theta. Okay, then angle A is 90 degree minus theta. Okay, in right triangle ABC, the sum of two acute angle is 90 degree. One angle is theta, then other angle is 90 degree minus theta. Students, both acute angles are complement to each other. It means the measures of the sum of these acute angles in this right angle triangle are complementary angles. So first is theta, then other is 90 degree minus theta. Okay, so consider a right angle triangle ABC. Consider a right triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. Let angle A is equal to angle C is equal to theta, then angle A is equal to 90 degree minus theta. Let AB is equal to X, BC is equal to Y and AC is equal to R. For acute angle theta. Okay, perpendicular is equal to AB is equal to X unit, base is equal to BC is equal to Y unit, and if hypotenuse AC is equal to R unit. Okay, students, let's start to discuss the trigonometric ratios of the acute angle theta. Okay, so first of all, find theta. Find theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC, that is F by R. Okay. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is pi by R, and tan theta is equal to base perpendicular by base AB by BC, that is X by Y. So students, the reciprocal of the find theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to AC by AB, that is the hypotenuse by perpendicular, that is R by X. Okay. The reciprocal of the cos theta is equal to sec theta. Sec theta is equal to base hypotenuse by base, that is AC by BC, is equal to R by Y. And the reciprocal of the tan theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular, that is pi by X. Okay students, these trigonometric ratios according to acute angle theta. And now we are going to discuss the trigonometric ratios of the acute angle 90 degree minus theta. So students, for acute angle 90 degree minus theta. Okay. So 90 degree minus theta is the acute angle of this right angle triangle. So we take this acute angle 90 degree minus theta, then the perpendicular is BC, base is AB, and the hypotenuse is AC. So students, first of all find 90 degree minus theta. 90 degree minus theta, then perpendicular by hypotenuse BC by AC, BC by AC, and BC is equal to pi by R. Okay. And cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Okay, that is X by R. And tan 90 degree minus theta, 90 degree minus theta is perpendicular by base, it means BC by AB, that is pi by X. Okay students. And next, the reciprocal of the find 90 degree minus theta is cosec 90 degree minus theta, that is the hypotenuse by the perpendicular. Hypotenuse is AC and the perpendicular is BC, that is R by Y. Okay. The reciprocal of the cos 90 degree minus theta is sec 90 degree minus theta. Okay, sec 90 degree minus theta, that is hypotenuse by base is R by X. Okay. And the reciprocal of the tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta, cot 90 degree minus theta, that is AB by BC, it means base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular, that is AB by BC, that is X by Y. Okay students, for this fixed trigonometric ratios for acute angle 90 degree minus theta and this trigonometric ratios for the acute angle theta. So now we are going to discuss the relationship between the theta and 90 degree minus theta, both acute angle, because theta and 90 degree minus theta are the complementary angles. Okay, so students, here find 90 degree minus theta. Find 90 degree minus theta. Find 90 degree minus theta is equal to pi by r. Pi by r. So pi by r is equal to cos theta. For acute angle theta, pi by r is equal to cos theta. So that is cos theta. Relations between find 90 degree minus theta and cos theta is, so find 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to x by r. X by r. Then x by r is equal to find theta. Okay. X by r is equal to find theta. So cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to find theta. So students, find 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta, or cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to find theta. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to pi by x, and pi by x is equal to cot theta. Okay, so this is cot theta. So students, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Okay. Find cosec 90 degree minus theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to ry by, and ry by is equal to sec theta, is equal to sec theta. So student, cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Okay, and sec 90 degree minus theta, sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to r by x, and r by x is equal to cosec theta, is cosec theta. So students, sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay, and now sec cot 90 degree minus theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to x by, and x by is equal to tan theta. So that is tan theta. So student, cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, so we have fixed trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. So find 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to find theta. Find cos में चेंज कर जाएगा, cos फाइन में चेंज करेगा. ओके, एंड tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta, और cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. tan cot में चेंज करेगा और cot tan में चेंज करेगा. ओके, फाइन cos में, cos फाइन में, tan cot में, cot tan में, and cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta, and sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So cosec sec में चेंज करेगा और sec cosec में चेंज करेगा. Okay students.